Let's talk stocking stuffers. So I have some criteria for these, okay? Must fit in a stocking, must be quick ship. So these things are of course from Amazon. Now I personally love a good stocking stuffer that is practical. That's something I got growing up. Band-Aids, pins, toothpaste, toothbrushes, hairbrushes, all of those, but we did get like one or two things that we like, so that is what these items are today. And starting out, I will have them numbered on screen. Number 1 is the best socks of all time. Now I know there are so many Barefoot Dreams inspired socks out there. I will link my favorite pair for you guys, but I just find that they are all so much thinner. I don't know why. Barefoot Dream socks are super thick and soft, so that is why I love these. I do sleep in socks. I know y'all think that's crazy, but I sleep so much better with them. There are like literally scientific studies that when you sleep in socks, you sleep better, you sleep deeper, you sleep longer. So just trust the science, okay? Sleeping in socks is better. So these are hands down my favorite. Like I said, I'll still link the designer inspired option, but these are under that $25 mark and they are super, super soft and still really, really thick, which is what I love. Number 2, underwear. I know this is weird, but again, it's something you may not buy for yourself. So my husband, I got him some boxers to throw in his because that's what he sleeps in. I will link my favorite seamless undies for you guys. They're from Amazon. They come in a multi-pack. I can't remember how many, but they are so good, like truly seamless, lots of different colors. They're very, very comfy. You can get like full butt, you can get thong style. So I'll link those below for you guys, but underwear are always good gifts. Speaking of things you wear, number 3 are blue light glasses. I actually ordered the pair that I'm showing you guys on screen. I am not the best lately wearing my blue light sunglasses because, well, I guess they're not technically sunglasses, they're just glasses, but I'm not great at wearing them because the pair that I have are a little bit on the heavy side. I like the way they look, but they're a little bit on the heavy side. My lighter weight like pair, my son bent. So that's on me for letting a little toddler get his hands on them, but I love blue light glasses. My dad's really good about wearing his. Sam has some. He's not as good at wearing them as he should be, but if you stare at a computer screen all day, these are a must have. So if you know someone works a desk job, they're head down in their computer, blue light glasses are great for stocking stuffers. You also can do beanies, scarves, gloves, anything like that that again, someone may need, but they're not necessarily going to buy themselves. That is something that's a little bit more dependent on the person and their style. I really like Carhartt beanies. I really like the beanies with the little pom-poms on top. I mean, colorful ones, black ones, it doesn't matter. Just find something that you think the person may need and then you can go from there. But I don't know. It's just a weird thing. Like my husband would never buy himself like a beanie and gloves, but like you bet your bottom dollar when it's cold out, he always is wearing a beanie and gloves. So they're great stocking stuffer ideas. Number 5, these may not fit in the stocking, but I did want to include them anyway because I actually got Sam one for Christmas, is a travel coffee mug. Now I went with the Simple Modern brand. We got ours from Target. My husband uses 2 travel coffee mugs every day so that he can drink his coffee on the way to work and then have another cup of coffee when he's there, like with his stuff and his creamer in it. And so he always takes 2 and he has 2 that are his favorites. Brewmate is a really great one. I don't know where they sit price-wise. And then Stanley is another good one. And I'm not sure off the top of my head where they sit price-wise either. But I mean, they're just something that gets used on a regular basis. So I didn't want him to constantly have to be changing out his like 2 favorite mugs because they actually keep his drinks cold. So I went ahead and got him a Simple Modern travel mug to get in his stocking this year. And I know that he will love it. Number 6, I wouldn't say this is maybe like a stocking stuffer for men unless your guy wants his hair to grow, but liquid collagen, y'all have heard me talk about it this year. It actually was my top seller for like the first half of the year. It did get month to month basis surpassed by the snail mucin, but in all of 2023, just because I've been talking about it longer, the NeoCell liquid collagen has been my top seller. So it is a really good liquid collagen. I've told y'all so many times, you can't stop postpartum hair growth, but you can promote growth in the meantime. It is like $32 or under for a full month's supply. Don't put it in your coffee, just keep it in your fridge, drink it every single morning before you have anything else, like before you drink your coffee or water, stuff like that, so that you can really get the full effects of it. I will link the pump bottle that I put mine in the description bar below, or that I'm about to put mine in. I had mine in a clear plastic bottle. It really is best to have it in a darker, specifically a glass, but like like a darker plastic bottle if you have to have one. I just find the pump is a lot easier. But yeah, you don't need some expensive hair serum to make your hair grow long. But the bonus is also this collagen has vitamin C in it, which has so many extra benefits. And so it's not just going to be for your hair, it's also gonna make your nails and your skin look so much better. Number 7 is a rechargeable hand warmer. Now, I live in the South. I would say that this is something, once my kids join sports, I will probably use, but I did see this on a top seller for all of Amazon. So while I personally never have used these, I know that there are people who live in parts of the country where they absolutely need these all the time. We just are like biting weather in South Carolina. Like when I say our weather like bites, it's so cold, that probably doesn't even touch like the northern states and how cold it gets there. But a rechargeable hand warmer is something that's really practical too. So while it is not something I have, it is just a top seller on all of Amazon. So I wanted to link it in today's video for y'all. Number 8 is Jesus Calling. And I do want to just say, because it's a book, like you can see the size here. I have the pink one. I think the regular Jesus Calling is like not a specialty color. It's just like a brown and kind of yellow book. It's not the cutest though, so I got a pink option. I absolutely love this. I know that some people don't think that you should do Jesus Calling as a devotional, but my take is I'm never gonna tell someone to not interact with Jesus if I can, or the way that they may do like a devotional. So I love Jesus Calling as a quick daily read. It does have some Bible verses at the bottom of it that you can also work into your devotion time. So I really do love Jesus Calling, whether you get the pink or the regular one. I can't remember the price off the top of my head, but I know there is a difference if you get this like specialty color. So I love Jesus Calling. And again, we ain't knocking anybody talking to Jesus in any way possible. At least not here on this channel, we aren't. Number 9 are actually Adidas socks. Now these are a little bit more trendy. I wouldn't say whenever I wear my socks, whether they're Adidas or even just plain socks, like those aren't my comfort socks. Those are socks I wear to be stylish because I want to be in with the cool kids. I wear to bed my comfortable socks, but these are very trendy. We're seeing a lot of really high socks come out of shoes now. That is the thing. It's actually a trend that I was not down for in the beginning, but the longer that time has gone, the more I love it, like so much. I always wear my high socks. So you can grab some of these. I do think they're a little bit better for someone who dresses really trendy, or maybe if you have a teenager or a young adult, if they're very into trends, they're gonna be into those high socks, and Adidas or Nike are both great brands. And number 10, chocolate. I think it's also a great thing to just stuff right down into that stocking is some really good chocolate, or, you know, little like gummies, Sour Patch Kids, anything that you know someone likes. Go ahead and put that in the stocking. It's just a great little bonus and something that they're really going to enjoy. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. Definitely make sure you click the subscribe button if you are new here. While we are getting much closer to the holidays and I will not be doing as many gift guides, I've got some great stuff planned for 2024. So make sure you click the subscribe button. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.